Do you want to add a Latin kick to your summer grilling? Stay tuned. Hi everyone, welcome to Cooking with Chef Rich. Today we're going to be making some tequila lime chicken. Yummy, yummy. Love tequila lime chicken. This is a very, very easy dish to make. We're going to jump right in and talk about our ingredients. Over here I have assorted boneless breasts and chicken legs. And that is just based on the people that are eating it. If you like only boneless breasts, go with that. If you like cut up chicken, go with that, it's fine. I have juice of 2 limes, lime zest from 2 limes, 2 tablespoons of honey, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 1 tablespoon of Ancho chili. This is dehydrated. I scooped out all the seeds. I tossed it in a frying pan with nothing in it for about a minute on each side, and then poured boiling water over it to rehydrate it, and then chopped it up. I have 3 tablespoons of chopped garlic. I have 2 teaspoons of salt, 1 teaspoon of black pepper, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, half a teaspoon of dry oregano, and I have 3 tablespoons of reposado tequila. Let's jump right in, and basically, very simply, we're just gonna take all the stuff and pour it over our chicken. Actually, this I'm gonna mix with the oil. That way we'll get dispersed evenly. We'll put everything in and basically give it a nice toss. Now it says that this has to marinate for about 6 hours. I'm going to marinate it for about 2 hours. I think that should probably be okay. And the garlic. So we're just going to give this a really nice toss. I'm going to cover it up, stick it in the refrigerator, and I'll show you what it looks like in 2 hours. Our tequila lime chicken is almost done marinating, and I decided to throw together a corn, black bean, and avocado salsa. So I just wanted to show you what I'm going to do here. Over here I have 18 ounces. I'm just using some frozen corn. I defrosted it, and I just rinsed it off, so that's fine. 30 ounces of black beans, they're canned. I have 1 bunch of cilantro chopped. I have 2 red peppers that I've diced up, and I have half a jalapeno diced. If you want to make it spicier, by all means, you can add some more jalapeno. One of the people eating with us doesn't like too spicy, so I'm keeping that to a minimum. I have 2 avocados diced, or large diced. I have about half a cup or 4 ounces of lime juice, 1 shallot, or about 2 tablespoons of shallot finely diced, 1 tablespoon of garlic finely diced, 1 teaspoon of salt, and half a teaspoon of black pepper. If you want to do this in advance, if you know you're having like a barbecue or a party, and you want to make this in advance, you can make the whole thing in advance except for the avocado. Like make this just the way I'm making it now, leave the avocado out and cut it up last minute and add it and mix it. Otherwise the avocado will turn brown and won't look so nice. So just a helpful tip. And so we're just going to take our corn. Basically we're just taking everything and mixing it all together. And we'll give it a taste, and I'm guessing it should be pretty good, but we might have to adjust the seasoning slightly. Just gonna give this a really nice toss. As you can see, it's a very, very pretty salsa. I'm just gonna put like literally half a teaspoon of olive oil. Just gives it a little bit of a shine and helps keep it fresh. You don't need a lot of oil for this. Take a fork, just taste it, see if it needs anything for seasoning wise. It's actually really, really, really good. Let's need a couple minutes when we're grilling the chicken. So we're here with our grill. Our grill is on probably about 450 degrees. I'm gonna grill our chicken legs first because the legs are probably gonna take a bit longer than the boneless breasts. So I'm gonna get these going. And probably in about 15 minutes, I will do our breasts and show you what they look like. I'm going to turn these every like 5 minutes or so, and I'll show you when it's time to put the breasts on. See you shortly. So our legs have been cooking for about 10 minutes, and now I'm going to put our breasts on. And I'm going to turn these every few minutes, and I'll show you what they look like when they're done cooking. See you shortly. So our tequila lime chicken is done grilling, and I wanted to show you what it looks like first. I'm serving it with I also grilled off some corn. You can take a taste. Try with the salsa. Really, really, really good. Has a nice limey flavor. You taste garlic. You don't taste the tequila too much, but it definitely has a really nice flavor. If you like Southwestern or Mexican, this dish is for you. Great for grilling. It's great for grilling, great for a hot summer day. This is nice, it's light, it's refreshing. The salsa goes perfectly with the chicken. You'll really like this dish. Anyway, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And tell me what type of chicken you like to put on the grill. I'd love to hear from you. Be safe, everyone, and I will see you in the next video. Take care.